Wow, another inspiring testimony come from Richard. Even since I've been learning with Mrs. Mireille, I've found myself enjoying learning French even more. During classes, she makes learning fun by using engaging exercise, and she is responsible for my learning. She's also strict, which is very good, and she's patient with me. Yeah, Richard, yeah. And she also has enthusiasm while teaching me, and this motivates me to do my best during classes. She's funny, and her teaching style gives an educational atmosphere. Overall, Mrs. Mireille is an awesome French teacher. Merci, Richard. So if you want to learn French with me, yes, I'm a little bit strict, but it's for you. Just DM me and I will give you more information. So follow us. Bye.